traders, these are our movers for the morning. On the move, we got ADAP down over 13%, over 400,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. SPCE up over 7%, over 1,200,000 traded pre-market, that's in play this morning. PFE, Pfizer, down almost 7%, about 800,000 traded pre-market, that's in play this morning. We got a few here we can work with, so let's go trade. Alright, we are short ADAP at 10.18. This sucker blasted off last Friday, all the way up to 13, over 100%. Intraday today, it gaps down and gets bought up, puts in this nice topping tail here, and now it looks like it's getting ready to get back down to, we're thinking 9. I think once it cracks 10, it'll go right down to 9, but it's moving kind of slow for the amount of volume that we got here. So these 50 cents, and we'll come out at around 10.50, over 10.50, and we'll go 50 cents each way. There's a small price stock, so they can move, but not as much as I like. All right, ADAP looks like it's going to crack the lows here. So there's buyers in this, so I got to be careful here. We're actually going to come out of this right here. I don't like it. I'm going to chase this. I'm looking at these volume bars, and I don't want no part of this thing right here. Come on. All right, we're out. We took an 8-cent winner. Yeah, I'm analyzing this. I mean, for this amount of buying to take place, that's a lot. One day, over 100 million traded, brought this sucker up over 100%. So the more I look at this, the more I'm thinking this is going to climb here. And look, it's already starting to climb. You know, a lot about day trading is you assess the situation, and even though you made a decision at first, you want to be able to change your mind depending on what the market's telling you, depending on what the chart is telling you. So I made a decision to go in the short earlier, but the more I'm looking at this, I'm like, I can't be shorting this right now. This thing could climb another 10 bucks, 10 points, easy, from what I can see here. mrna, we are going to short this right here at the ask. We think this has more drop in it. All right, we are in mrna. That's the first real big fat red candle. It just hit yesterday's close, and the market's dropping, so we think this thing has more drop in it. We think it'll drop at least down to 60.50. That'll be our target, about 60.50, around there, at least below 61. And stop loss will be over 62.50 area, about a point each way. A lot of dip buying is going on here in this area, so when it don't work out, they're all going to put their stops on yesterday's close, or rather last Friday's close, and then another leg down. Here it comes. All right, here we go. To see it below 61. All right, let's take this. It's dropped quite a bit here. Come on. No pullbacks here. No pullbacks. I'm going to pull this up. Don't like this anymore. See? So as soon as I went to bring it up, it started pulling back. We're going to come out of this. It's getting bought up here. All right, we're out. Only 30 cents, but, you know, I got in this trade late. I should have gotten in right here at 63 and rode that down. I didn't. I got in right before it went to last Friday's close, which, you know, there's probably going to be some buy-in there. You know, but we took 30 cents. No big deal. Oh, and look at it. Now it's dropping. Now it's dropping. It's probably going to go exactly where I wanted, 60.50. Look. All right, we are in BYND long at 136.73. This looks real nice for a breakout right over the top, and this should happen like right now. Target's going to be over 37.50 area. Stop loss will be below 136, but it looks good here. You know, I see a lot of higher lows. You know, look at that, all higher lows. So it might even poke below 136, but I think all in all, this thing's going to climb, especially with the market. If we look at the SPY is on fire right now, so should help this sucker blast off. We'll see what we can grab out of it. Spread's big, 15-20 cents. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's take that. Nice. I'll take that. That's fine. It's not as much as I wanted, but the way the market's trading this morning, I'm not sure this rally is going to sustain. But we took about 70 cents, close to it. ZM, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. Come on, hit us before it breaks out. It's breaking out again here. Ah, that stinks. That would have been a quick, fast, and easy point. You know, especially with all that velocity there. Look at the way that's trading. That just wants to climb. There's just buyers coming in from every corner, and they're just filling all the orders up and shooting the sucker up. Volume, look at the volume. I could probably still get in this right here and get a point. You know what? We're gonna go in this right here. Let's buy this. All right, we're in long ZM here at 193.20. We're gonna see if we can get a point off of this. We're gonna see if we can bring this up to 194. It just looks really good here. You know, it might pull back a little bit here, but all in all, I think this sucker will take out 194 and some. All right, here we go. Stop loss is gonna be below around 192. You know, a little over a point each way. See if we can get this over 194.50. ZM, we're at our stop area here. We're just going to give it a second here, see if it just gets bought right back up here. But it needs to climb soon. Alright, we're going to come out of this. I'm going to push this down. Alright, we're out. We took a loss here. We took a 60-cent loser, a little over 60-cent loser on that trade. CM, we're going to try this one more time here. We're going to go in it right here if we can before it cracks the highs here one more time. Come on. Alright, it's going to go now. Yeah, this thing's going to go. Watch. There it goes. Now it's just going to blast right off to over 194. Should anyway. I don't see why it doesn't here. I could probably get in this right now and get a point. You know what? We're going to go in this right here. Let's take this right here before it breaks out. Alright, we are in ZM long here at 193.59. We want at least a point and a point stop loss. So we're looking at 194.50, possibly 195. I think it'll be explosive over 194. Come on. Come on. Let's get back at least what we lost on it. There we go. Come on. Let's keep it going there. Keep it going. Let's see why it don't go. Alright, let's just take this here. Come on. Don't pull back. Alright, we're out. Pretty much got back what we lost, and it's still climbing there. I should have stayed in a little bit longer. But once it breaks out over this 194 here, and it started to lose steam there, I got nervous. I'm like, you know, I better just get the heck out of this thing and get back what I lost on the last trade. ZM, we are going to short this right here if we can. Alright, we are short ZM. This is our third trade on it. We just want to pull back here from these highs here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We just got out of it a little while long, and we're just looking for a pullback here. Let's get out of this right here. Come on. Alright, we're up. Nice, nice. We got another 65 cents or so. It's been a 65-cent day on ZM. Yeah, so we just wanted to pull back from these highs here. This thing's been climbing for a while, so we figured we could at least get 50, 60, 70 cents, possibly a point from these highs. But we're just going to keep it green here. We're up 240. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades. 5 winners, 1 loser. Our biggest winner on ZM and our loser on ZM. Oh, and check out ZM here. Sucker's still climbing. Looks like I might visit 200 today. Thanks for watching.